Hi all, welcome back. Today I am sharing few clips of my weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you guys enjoy watching this video, do comment your feedback in the comment section and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. So today I wanted to share a review of Shahi Kutt. This is a ready to eat packet of Hurli Saru or Kutt Ka Saalan, which is available in Bangalore. It is quite popular in Bangalore and Karnataka. I thought of giving it a try. We wanted to try Kutt in this chilly afternoon. So this was ready to eat packet. Thought of giving it a try. And my honest review of this is, this had a perfect consistency. It had a beautiful aroma and it tasted awesome. You can have it as it is with this gravy, or for furthermore taste we added boiled meat and boiled meatballs. It's up to your preference. You can also boil meat and add it to this gravy. It tastes amazing and it is just like the one you have at your grandmother's house. It is amazing. Do try this. If I find the link to purchase it online, I'm going to link it in description box. So on Saturday we had chicken gravy, green chicken gravy, which is another Bangalore specialty. Usually I start preparing lunch at around 12 o'clock or 11:30. If I need to do some pre-planning or some thawing or defrosting, which that I do early in the morning. I also plan out the menu previous night itself. It helps in organizing and meal planning. I like to keep cooking and cleaning to a minimal as much as possible. I like to prepare simple meals on weekends and I want to keep cleaning to a minimum because we want to spend time with our family. I remember as kids, my mom used to prepare these elaborate lunches during weekends. It was her specialty. She used to prepare chili chicken gravy or tandoori fried chicken kebab, which were yummy. We used to help in household work and then have lunch at around 3 o'clock. It would be really late when we would have lunch, but we used to enjoy it so much. I still remember the flavor of the chicken kebabs. It is so yum. So today I am going to prepare chicken gravy. This is coriander based gravy, which is quite popular in Bangalore and Karnataka. For this I am going to fry 1 medium sized onion in 3 tablespoon oil. Also adding half spoon of turmeric and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. When the masala is nicely fried, I am going to add in chicken. I am going to fry the chicken nicely until it is nicely cooked and changes its color. For the base of the gravy, here I am adding 1 medium sized onion, 5 green chili and half a bunch of coriander leaves. Now coriander leaves add a nice flavor and thickness to the gravy. I usually don't prepare chicken in pressure cooker, but since the chicken is cut in bigger pieces, I thought it would be convenient to cook in pressure cooker. And it turned out super juicy and yummy. Now I'm going to add in this paste and we have to cook this patiently for a couple of minutes until the raw smell of coriander goes away. And after it is nicely cooked, I'm going to add 1 medium sized potato which I have cubed and a little bit of water. Check for salt and spice level. If you want, you can add more chili. And then I'm going to pressure cook it. I'm using a spatula to scrape off the gravy or masala that is stuck to the side of the pressure cooker. Give it a nice mix and then cover it with the pressure cooker lid. I'm going to cook it for 1 whistle, and after 1 whistle I'm going to cook it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and then turn off the flame. Now along with this I'm going to cook ghee rice. I think every one of us have individuality and uniqueness to our recipes, and the ingredients that we add gives that uniqueness. That is what gives us this uniqueness and speciality, and I think we should hold on to that. I started adding fennel leaves while preparing ghee rice and it gave a nice pleasant aroma to the ghee rice. I really liked it. I sometimes add it and sometimes skip adding it. It depends on my mood actually. In between cooking, whenever vessels are accumulated in the sink, I like to wash them then and there. Cleaning on the go is my mantra of keeping my kitchen clean. It is boring, but when you think of these vessels piling up in the sink, it is better to keep clean them as you cook, so there is less work after you finish cooking. So the rice is almost cooked. Now I'm going to put it to dum. I'm going to cover it with a lid and add a little water on top of the lid. This is a method that my mother follows for proper cooking and overall cooking of the rice. Cleaning sometimes is boring, sometimes it is thrilling. It really depends on my mood. One tip that I want to share with you guys is, after cleaning the vessels, after washing them, wait for it to completely dry before keeping them back in kitchen cabinets. Because if you place back the utensils while still they are wet, it starts a problem of cockroaches and pests. So to keep that at bay, try to dry your utensils before storing them back in kitchen cabinets. When my kids were small, it was a battlefield on the dining table during lunch hours. I used to pressure my kids to finish their lunch on time, and they used to refuse to completely finish their lunch. It was so frustrating for me, so stressing. And now, since my kids have grown up, they finish their lunch on their own, and I get some time for myself to peacefully finish my lunch. The kids are watching TV and I am setting the table, and I have a deal with them. I am going to set the table now, and afterwards I am going to watch TV after finishing the lunch, and they are going to clean the table. Things are changed, times are changed. I used to enjoy the time spent with my kids earlier. I'm enjoying the time now as well. Now this is life. Nothing is permanent. The sorrows are not permanent, and so the happiness is also not permanent. All we can do is we can just enjoy and live every moment that is thrown on us. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for joining me and staying with me and watching this complete video.